In this episode, I'm going to quickly show you how to convert the PDF document to other applications format. For example, we'll convert it to XLSX, to a Word document, and to HTML. This will become very handy because once you convert it to Microsoft applications, it's easier to read the data and then you can manipulate them in the way you want. First, I'm going to copy the file path as usual. Quickly show you this. This is the same sample that we've been using all through. I'll close it for now. Coming here, we'll just call this, I'll just paste this file path we'll park there for now. We'll call this convert PDF document. I'll just get all the syntax from there so we don't have to rewrite it. Okay, so first is our application, our VB document. This will just reuse this entire thing, and then we don't want this. Now if we are able to open the document, that's where we'll try to convert. We'll call ds file as string. That will be let's just call this as file, source file, destination file, and we'll have an extension input as well. For now, we'll just give this a document. Whatever extension you specify here, it will convert it to that document. So as file, source file is going to be the one we copied earlier, and the destination file is going to be, we'll just replace .pdf with whatever you specify as an extension. So we'll just call this replace. We want to replace as file .pdf with .extension, whatever extension has been specified, and we want to start a replacement from first character. Okay. Now our destination and the source file is ready. We'll open this file. Just have to update that because we copied it from other file. Now once the file is open, we want to use want to set up the PDF document. So every document is open, we'll do the PDF document here. We'll get the active document. We'll also set up a JavaScript object. We'll call this JSL object. And then we'll say set is equal to our document. Okay, that seems to be okay now. And from here, we want to save as this to other document. The file that we want to save as, and the type. So the type, you can find this from Adobe side as well. This will be the format. So the format is com.adobe.acrobat.extension. So whatever you specify here will be the format that's going to replace. I've tried this for XLSX, I've tried this for HTML, so it should be working fine, but we'll just So I think that's pretty much it. I can try to quickly run this through once. Let me just run this. So basically when we run this, we want to see flowsreport.doc document. Seems to be rendering, preparing the file for export. Okay, let's check the output. So it seems to work perfectly okay. It still have the table format intact. Now let's try for XLSX. I would say it's pretty quick. So here again, it's much better than the one that we read initially. And now we'll try it for HTML, basically the web page. Construction is really fast. Okay, seems to work fine.